Okay, for those of you who've been watching my YouTube channel, HowToHeaven, you probably noticed that I'm never in the video, but I decided I'm going to change my format, so I'm going to start appearing in my videos, so I figured I may as well just give you a little breakdown of what I'm doing today, and I will be doing for a period of time. So my channel started probably about 2012 or 2013. I got locked out by YouTube, and then I couldn't get back in. They would never call me. It wasn't big enough. They don't really care. So then I started another HowToHeaven channel, and that's where most of my videos, I've got like 75 plus videos are. But I want to change my format. I'd like to increase my viewership. I was monetized before, wasn't making much money, maybe $100 a quarter, but I'd like to get serious about my YouTube videos. So I've decided that it's too hard to do a video and not appear in it. Amazingly as it sounds, it really is a difficult task to frame every video without me being in it. And it just, I don't think the format is right for YouTube because I don't get that many viewers. And I think some of the things that I do should be of interest to a lot of different people. So what I'm going to do is, this is a quick view of my garage right here. And I'm talking really quick. You can look around, you can see some of the tools that I have. I've got some industrial equipment. I have 3 or 4 different kinds of welders, MIG, TIG, plasma, you name it. I mean, I've got these machines over here that are industrial. These are industrial punching machines. Haven't figured out a use for these yet, but eventually I'm going to. I don't know if I'm going to make like a power hammer. But the bottom line is, I have outgrown my 3-car garage, so I am going to make a new garage, and I'm going to put it over there on my side yard. And so what I'm going to do today is, I am going to clean my side yard. That fence is going to come down. These are some of my projects. I've got 2 totaled Corollas. I have that 95 Mustang convertible over there. If you look in the back, you can see Dirty Harry. That's my 67 Mustang. I name all my cars. The gray cars Crash. The truck there is Wilbur. And so I name all my cars, and you'll get to know them in the videos later on. But right now, it's time to clean that yard over there. And like I said, that fence is going to come down, and I'm going to put in a 32 by 40 foot garage, and hopefully a lift in it. So there you have it.